Good morning, everybody. It's Monday morning. I think it's the 11th, something like that there. 12th, something like that. Of January. It's Monday, isn't it? And it's UK time. It is 20 to 11 in the morning. So anyway, right, t-shirt. I'm reading from this wee piece of paper here, by the way, what this is. It says, "The devil saw me with my head down and thought he had won until I said amen." By the way, I'm reading this wee piece of paper what's on this t-shirt. Just in case you're wondering why I'm looking over there. Right, anyway, let's get down to locks. Now these are all lever locks. So if you're not interested in lever locks, this is not the video for you. Okay? So just giving you a heads up on that there. Right, lever lock number 1. No name. In the back or the front, or even in the key. It's got that there sort of era, sort of style of lock. I think there should be a wee thing missing. Should be a wee, like a dust cap here. There isn't. It'll obviously come off. That's the key bit on. The reason why I'm doing this video is because I want to get these out of my road. They're cluttering up my table. I want to get them in the shelves. Right, that's that out of my road. Oh wait, by the way, it opened brilliantly, but I'm assuming, yeah. Nice wee lock. Oh, this here is a GEN. I might have shown this before. Bit up a wee bit. GEN. I think it's that. There's 2 I's or 2 1s. I'm not too sure what that is. So, smooth as butter. Yeah, smooth as butter. Nice lock. Picked it. Nice lock. To be honest with you, I don't know how I picked it. Because I've tried a bunch of hard times after. No success. I don't know why he's any false gates in that or not. I haven't a clue, to be honest with you. Right, what is this? This here is a fire brigade lock. Now there's no numbers on that right hand side, which is a bit odd. There should be a number not there. But there's not. Which, I don't know why that's a fake or not. Looks perfect. There's nothing on the back. So it's a bit odd. I don't think there's anything in that key to the best of my knowledge. That's the key button on it. It's not the best video for anybody who's into ordinary padlocks, but what is this? Seemingly, this is a Squire. No markings whatsoever to say that it's a Squire. The Squire always have markings on the back. Now, this makes me think this here is a homemade job. I think it's a homemade job. I can't see what that says in there. See what that there says? There's something on there. I can't even see that there. I need to get a magnifying glass. I'm on glasses, but I can't even see it. Now, there's a wee bit of a bend in there. I must get that pulled out a bit. See? Because that wee bit of a bend in there. I must get that pulled out. That's not a bobbly lock. Nice lock. As I say, there's no markings anywhere else, so I'm doubtful that's a Squire. In fact, I'm very doubtful on it. Squires always have their, because that's the key bit. That's the key on it. It says Squire on it, I think. Yeah. So I have my doubts. And there's two of these keys. These two keys identical. So I don't understand that one. Right. What is this now? This is a belfry. Now I'm going to show you two belfries. Let's see, here's that one. Sorry, itchy nose. Sorry about that. 4-lever belfry. Yeah, not in great condition. Works well. One key with it. That'll probably go in my giveaway pile. And the reason for that is I have this one here. It's the exact same one, I think. Well, no, there's not. There's wee markings up there, which I think is Army, if my memory serves me right. And I'd rather this one here compared to that one down there. Even though this has only got one key as well, but that's a wee bit sticky. Oh, that's definitely a wee bit sticky, must admit. Oh, don't tell me this is broke. I had one break already on me. Oh no. I don't know what happened there, but that's not good. Opened. You sort of have to push this the whole way around. No, that's sticking me badly. I don't know why that is. I might have to donate this to somebody to see if they can fix it. So I don't know what's crack is that one there, but it's not working right the way I should be working, or the way it should be working. This is probably the only yell in this collection, or pin tumbler in this collection. This has been given away because I have two of them here. I have another one here. It came as a bit of a job lot, so, or came as a pair, should I say. She is 50mm, I believe. Works perfect. That's a quite wee snap of that. And original key. As you can see, it's original key. So one of these here is going to somebody, and the other one staying with me. In fact, maybe probably two of them's probably gonna go to somebody or to people. And last but not least, excuse me, sorry about that. This I have absolutely no idea. Nope. I just wanted to buy one of these here because I want to go into mortise locks. So there's no maker's name on. There's no maker's name on the front either. I can see. Maybe that's too close. There's no maker's name on it. And I haven't a clue how many levers there is. I think there's only a couple on this here. That's the key bidding on it. Nice lock. Works brand new. Works as smooth as butter. Huh? Smooth as butter. So, right everybody. As I say, I'd probably end up sending that over to somebody to fix, or to do something, because that I don't know why that's sticking for. Seems to be sticking just as I turned it there. If anybody knows how to sort that out. Pushed it in and pushed it out. No, I don't know what's wrong with that. Maybe she's broke. So that could be going for a dismantling job, and I thought that was a good one. I like that one. But anyway, everybody, thank you very much for tuning in, and I will see you again sometime. You take care and have a great week. Bye bye.